Everybody, today is the 1st of February and I am up. I'm going to be making a green smoothie. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know I've been drinking green smoothies. I am trying to detox. I think I always put too much veg, which is why it tastes gross. So today I will be adding a little bit more banana. Hi everyone, it has been a couple of hours since I last saw you. I've had lunch. It's about 4 p.m. right now, so I am about to start spring cleaning because according to Chinese tradition, you're supposed to clean your entire house, but for me, my entire room before Chinese New Year because it's considered bad luck if you clean during the Chinese New Year period because you're kind of like cleaning away the good luck that is supposedly coming in during the new year. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'm thinking if I should wear this. I don't think so. I think I should change into something more slim fit, and maybe I should get rid of my makeup to put my hair up. You are balancing on my diffuser. Okay, so yeah. Today is the 3rd of February and I didn't vlog yesterday and today, even though it is a weekend. And yesterday I actually did a lot of things, but I didn't bring my camera out. And it's because we went to a public gym and there weren't any lockers there. And so I was afraid someone was gonna steal my camera, even though, let's be real, no one's gonna go to a gym and steal a camera. Like, they wouldn't even know I have a camera. But yeah, there weren't any lockers there, and so I didn't feel safe bringing my camera along, and so I didn't. Turns out we did quite a lot of things yesterday, so that's too bad. Basically, we went to Jurong East and we walked a lot. I bought a new bed sheet, bought my boyfriend's New Year clothes, and yeah, I am very excited about my new bed sheets. These, I don't know where they're from. My mom bought them and they're really not the best quality, so I am having a pretty difficult time trying to sleep on these, and so I just went out and just bought new ones. So yeah, oh yeah, this morning I actually vlogged a little bit. I vlogged myself trying to make my green smoothie, but I didn't get to drink it because my smoothie failed. No, my smoothie didn't fail, but my blender failed. It's no longer working. It's no longer blending my smoothies, and so today I didn't have a smoothie, which is very sad because I wanted to go on the food detox that I mentioned in my January vlog, and it was supposed to be a 7 days green smoothie challenge, and today is the freaking 7th day, and I've been drinking a green smoothie every single day until today, the freaking last day. I'm annoyed, and so I have this here with me. I have some screwdrivers. I'm just going to open it and see what's up. I am currently home alone. It's 9 p.m. and I don't know where everyone went. Probably for dinner or something. I went out with my boyfriend just now, just to have dinner. So yeah, today I didn't do a lot of things as compared to yesterday. Today I just edited a bunch of vlogs. I uploaded my January vlog. I apologize for the low quality vlogs, to be honest. I am just not feeling it. I've just been feeling very tired and very unmotivated. So I'm really sorry about the decrease in quality in my vlogs. I will try and find my drive back. Ew. I'm going to off my camera first because the battery is flashing. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to attempt to apply this glue that I found in the drawer. So today, while I was editing the vlogs, I also watched Bird Box. Finally, I've heard a lot of hype about it. It's really not my kind of movie. I feel like it's too gross. There's a lot of like blood and like violence, just gross stuff, and I'm never the kind of person who will watch movies like that. So I mean, it's quite thrilling, definitely. It made me really afraid for a few times that I didn't want to look at the screen. But yeah, it's the kind of movie that after watching it, you don't really gain anything. Like, it's just thrilling. I didn't even read how to use this. Just to update you guys, my blender is not working. So yeah, I found the shop. They are selling this for $6, and so I will just need to go and get another one. And it's actually really bad timing because it's CNY, so the shop is going to be closed from now until the 11th of February, which is like a week. An update, I tried to use glue and fix it back together, but it's not working, so yeah, that's it. Hi everybody, happy Chinese New Year Eve. I am looking very festive with my black shirt, but yeah, I mean, it's still Eve, so I still can wear whatever the hell I want. So yeah, today we are going to my cousin's place for reunion dinner with my relatives. Not a lot of people are going because a lot of my cousins are married. So frankly speaking, I'm the only one left. I mean, I have other unmarried cousins, but they're going to their father's side, so yeah, like I'm technically the only one left. So my boyfriend is actually coming because his family is in Malaysia, so he is joining us. And yeah, I am going for a casual look. If you cannot already tell, I put on very little makeup. I wanted it to look more natural. Not much eyeshadow. I didn't even style my hair. I just blow dry it. I wanted to curl it, but then I was like, it actually looks fine, so I'm just gonna leave it. And then this is my outfit. Might change into long pants, I don't know. Okay, so I will see you guys at my cousin's place. God bless everybody with good health. Hi, why are you scared? Why are you scared? I don't know. Namola.
They call it mangrove swamp. Later got a lot of insect on.
So written.
they all from the vegetable.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't know they close down.
I think suspended. Latino, ano?
Mix it. Wow, look like some potion. It is both. all I see. My lips stop bumping, my neck is jumping. Big dip bumping, my glove is jumping. You like my hair? She thanks. So good. I see it, I like it, I want it, I get it. Yeah, I want it, I get it. 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 You like my hair?